Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 8th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I'm definitely still very bullish. I still think it looks like a big 1, 2, 3. I think it personally needs to go up to at least a 161.8 because that's where wave 3 normally does go. And that's just a minimum that this could go. They could actually go a lot higher than that. So my target is actually around the 25.50 area and maybe even higher. Going down to the weekly time frame is where you can actually start to break this down. This right here is the wave 1 I sold on the monthly. This is a wave 2 that I sold on the monthly. Now this is all wave 3, so that would make this a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and now we're in a wave 3 of 3. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest waves of a trend, so when you're in a wave 3 of 3, it's an extra strong trend, which as you can see is definitely the case in this example. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is a wave 1, I think this is a wave 2, and this is a wave 3. I have my Fibonacci extension on the wave 1 projected out the bottom of the wave 2. That lines up really well with that $2,500 area that I was showing on the higher time frames. If you squish this down, the 161.8 is around the 2,500. So for me, I think it's very likely, very probable that this is going to keep on going up to that $2,500 area. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, I think this is clearly a 1 and a 2. I think this is in a wave 3, which is part of a wave 3 of a higher time frame degree. So we're not bouncing. We really are not even bouncing off a fib level. We definitely don't have a breaker structure to the downside. We definitely don't have a lower high, and we definitely don't have an engulfing move down. What's all that information tell me? That tells me that I 100% would continue to look for longs on shorter time frames, especially with the fact that I believe we're in a wave 3 of 3 on the much higher time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive up. I personally am looking for 3 waves down. I don't really think the correction is over. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I'm looking for a nice big engulfing move to the upside for an entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, I don't really think the correction is over, so if you are a scalper, you could definitely try to go short. I think that the big money to be made right now is definitely 100% looking for longs at the end of every single pullback that you see for the continuation of what is a wave 3 of 3 on the much longer time frames. Like I said, a wave 3 is a strong trend, so a wave 3 of 3 should be an even stronger trend, which is very obvious on the higher time frames that this is a very strong uptrend, which is why I say going short is pretty dangerous. I think even if you are a scalper, the better opportunities, the more profitable opportunities are definitely going to be going long at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, linked down here in the corner. And also don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions and my swing trade setups at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.